Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 12 divided by 1 over 12 times 12. Which option is correct? A, B, or C? Ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, 12 divided by 1 over 12. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 12 times 12. And again we have here times 12. 12 times 12 equals 144. And 144 times 12. And this is equal to 1728. Okay, so our final answer to this problem is just 1728. That means option C is correct.